there, lobster enthusiasts. Did you know that lobstermen and scientists have a special technique to identify egg-bearing females? That's right. We're going to dive into the importance and history of the V-notch.
Our story begins in the early 1900s when lobster populations faced significant threats due to overfishing. Concerned conservationists and scientists knew they needed a method to safeguard the breeding stock. So in 1917, they introduced a method known as the V-notch.
So how does the V-notch actually protect lobsters? Great question. When lobstermen or scientists encounter an egg-bearing female, they make a small V-shaped notch on her tail fin. It'll be on the first right fin from the middle. This serves as a crucial identifier that she should be released back into the wild.
It ensures that egg-bearing females have the ability to release their eggs into the wild and contribute to the genetic diversity of lobster populations. It's giving them another chance to complete the reproductive cycle, nurturing their eggs and making sure that all their populations are going to stay stable.
Initially, the V-notch was a single vertical cut made in the tail fin. Then, in 1948, new legislation changed it to the characteristic V-cut. This improved identification and visibility of protected individuals.
But the improvements didn't just stop there, as soon after, legal size limits were enforced to ensure that juvenile lobsters had the ability to grow and large lobsters had the ability to contribute to the genetic diversity of their populations.
In 1995, V-notch protections were extended from Maine to Cape Cod, Massachusetts, ensuring uniform protections across the industry.
Many fishermen actually appreciate the V-notch technique because it's viewed by them as a way to increase their short-term catch and increase the long-term sustainability of the lobster fishing industry. Essentially, it ensures that females have the chance to reproduce and that the lobster industry stays sustainable.
That wraps up our exploration of the V-notch and how it serves to protect lobsters. Through this simple technique, lobstermen and scientists contribute to the preservation of these fascinating crustaceans and the delicate ecosystems they inhabit. So if you ever encounter a V-notch lobster in the wild, take a moment to appreciate how protecting that mother can keep lobster abundant in our ocean for generations.
Keep calm and lobster on!